Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm down in my radio room. The weather is perfect down here in Clearwater, Florida. It's 7 a.m. in the morning, and I was down here kind of cleaning up things. I got some more radios from Jeff to show you, and I kind of ran out of room in my radio room here. So I've been cleaned off my desk here. This is the Texan S-8800. I really like this radio. It was given to me in 2017 by Anoco, A-N-O-N-CO, to review. And I really like it. Some people don't like this radio because it doesn't have, on the radio, it doesn't have a keypad to dial into frequencies. But it does have a remote with a keypad, which that's why I like this radio, because of this remote. I can put this radio up on a shelf and then sit in my chair and control it with this, control all the functions with this. I did a couple of videos on this radio. You can go back and see those if you want. Again, this is the Texan S-8800. Now, just in passing, I looked this up a few minutes ago on the ANON-CO website. They do not sell this radio on Amazon. It's still not available on Amazon. This radio right now is $258. And some people were saying this new Sangean radio, which is about the same price, was way overpriced. Well, this one is the same price, and the Sangean is the newest technology. So maybe $258 in today's economy is not that much. Now this guy here, the Big Bertha back here, this Grundig Satellite 800, which you can only get used, it goes for $400 or $500 used. So I'm sorry, the prices of shortwave radios have really gone through the roof, and the demand has gone through the roof. I don't quite understand it, but that's cool. Anyway, what I wanted to show you, besides just babbling about what I've been doing, is the difference between using an internal telescopic antenna and an external antenna. Makes a huge difference. And hopefully I can illustrate this if I don't mess up like I did the last 3 times I tried to shoot this video. This radio has a long telescopic antenna for shortwave and FM. It's almost 3 feet long. And this is kind of a lunchbox size portable antenna. And even 3 feet is short for shortwave. So I've got it hooked up right now, I believe, to that telescopic antenna. Yes, it's on internal. It's on internal, so that's what you were hearing, WWV at 5 megahertz. Kind of scratchy. So let's go to external, and I have my antenna switch here. So I got 3 external antennas. Matter of fact, I'll leave that in the screen, in the picture. And I'm going to switch to external. Listen. There, what a difference. Way above the noise level. Now, right now I have selected my 31-foot vertical antenna from MFJ that they sent me. It's a piece of wire on a fiberglass telescopic pole, and the length of the pole is 31 feet. So the tip of the antenna, the end of the wire, is at 31 feet, and it does a great job. Some people, I've gotten comments that, no, it doesn't. Well, it does for me. Okay, let's go back here. I should have noted where I had the volume, but I forgot. Okay, now we're going to just switch to, excuse me, an MFJ in-fed antenna, horizontal. It's about, I'd say 30 feet long. Here we go. Gonna switch. picking up a lot of noise. Horizontal antenna. Okay, we'll go to one more. And that is
11 hours, 9 minutes, coordinated universal time.
my megaloop antenna, which is only about 12 feet in the air. And in general, that antenna is my best of the three right now. I'm going to go switch again, starting with the megaloop. Turn the volume up, and I'll stop talking. And then we'll switch to internal, picking up all that noise. Okay, let's try 10 megahertz. I don't hear anything. Not surprising this time of the day. That's internal, external. I hear it. Hawaiian voice. There's a big difference. I'll hush and let you listen, and I'll switch it. External, internal. I'm on the 31-foot vertical antenna. Internal. Excuse me, external. Internal. Go back to external. We'll switch to infed and then megaloop. Infed, megaloop.
11 hours, 11 minutes, coordinated universal time.
Internal. External. So the one other thing you notice, and it's something I tell you, my audience, all the time, is another big disadvantage of using the built-in antenna, telescopic antenna. Inside is all the noise you pick up from the other electronics. Like in this room here, I have LED lamps, I have the old shop lamps, incandescent lamps, the monitor, the wireless card, the computer, the keyboard even, the mouse even, all those contribute to noise. And that's what's being picked up when you use the built-in antenna. When you use external antennas, now a lot of people say, just take a long piece of wire and hook it up to your antenna and throw it out the window. Well, no, that's really not helping a lot, because you're still allowing that RF noise that's in your room to get on that wire. So you need to use shielded coax cable to connect to the back of your radio or whatever you connect it. Here's the shielded cable. That keeps that RF noise from getting in on that wire, that internal wire, which is your antenna. And then you go outside using coax cable, shielded coax cable, like I have here. And then once you get outside, away from all the RF noise, then you can hook your single wire antenna. So a simple antenna would be a long wire antenna, say at least 25 feet, either horizontal or vertical, and then connect shielded coax cable to that antenna wire at least 10 feet away from your internal electronics, and then bring that shielded cable in and connect to your radio, and make sure that you're also connecting that shielded part to ground somehow, or at least to the ground in this case on the radio, because this is running off of batteries. That's it. That's what I wanted to show you. It makes a huge difference. A lot of people will complain, like they complain about this radio, for instance, it doesn't hear very well. Well, any radio, even my big Bertha there, she's going to have a problem using her, I think it's like 4-foot telescopic antenna in the same room as all my other electronics. You got to use an outside antenna. Or something much simpler is you take the radio outside, away from all the RF noise. Like I go to some local parks and I go into an area of the park that's furthest away from power lines and houses and everything, and then your built-in telescopic antenna can do its job. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows that you enjoy. And I want to thank, once again, Jeff for bringing me, I think, 15 radios to show you this time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.